All right, so we're going to go on to connecting the CRM, and that is right under telephony, CRM configuration, and go ahead and click on the dynamics. So the dynamics tenant and client ID and app, those are put in um, by clicking on the new, and it will walk you through this access steps 1, 2, 3, 4. Um, so if you are online, this is a standard process. If you're on-prem, please contact um, development at Customer Dynamics so we can help you register the on-prem. But for online, just simply click online. This is one that needs a special permission. If you're not the global admin, you can ask the global admin just to authenticate this access. What we use is called a application user that we share out, and you need a global admin to accept it inside your Azure Active Directory. So I am a global admin, so I will click on there. And if I wasn't logged in, it would have asked me to log in, and it's a Microsoft page that pops up. So now, would you like to generate by granting admin consent? Yes, that's the one we want to do. And as you can see, hold on, another page popped up. I'm going to do that again, and we're going to get this in. I'm already signed in, but again, if you weren't, it would have asked you to. So I'm going to click on that, and it'll say, do you want to give permission for the C2 Contact Center application from Customer Dynamics? And make sure that you do see this seal, because that means that it is the verified Microsoft verification application. And just go ahead and accept. And now we have a Dynamics setup. So this will give me this Dynamics tenant ID, the client ID, and the secret. And now it is connected into Dynamics. Thank you.